The VSE CK Mini and Mini S electrostatic sprayers are easy to use. Just fill the half-gallon tank with a foggable disinfectant like vinyl oxide. Plug it in, turn it on, adjust the fluid controls for your application, and begin spraying. Its 8-foot aerostatic hose charges the disinfectant so it evenly coats the surface. These portable VSE sprayers make it easy to disinfect an entire large room on a single tank. They're available now at USACLEAN.com, where you can go find a full line of sprayers, disinfectants, and PPE to keep people safe through this tough time. From all of us here at USA Clean, stay safe and thanks for watching.